Outstanding design defines the 2013 BMW 328i. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.